Hey, Mike Foster here. Guess what? I'm heading on another. Mike Eats the Street. I'm driving. This time I'm going to check out another. This should be the best chicken sandwich they make. It's KFC. It used to be called Kentucky Fried Chicken, but we know what you're all about, guys. Your chicken that's fried with all those herbs and spices. We're going to check out Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC's chicken sandwich, compared to the ones I've been eating. And a few of their other accoutrements. What do you say, want to eat the street? Let's do it.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hey, how you doing? Can I get 3-piece tender
Yes, sir.
with ranch dressing on with that for the dip and a Coke?
Pepsi, okay?
Pepsi, yep.
Anything else?
Can I get 2 chicken breast a la carte, please?
Yeah, I can do that for you.
Okay. And then one of your chicken sandwiches?
Just a sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Else?
I think that's it. Does the 3-piece come with fries?
Yes.
Sounds good.
All right, that'll be $22.49. Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot. All right, we got the KFC. I'm gonna try not to make a lot of crumpling sounds. Here's the sandwich. I forgot mashed potatoes. And coleslaw. Here's the fries. I think they season them. My mistake, forgot mashed potatoes. They are a little spicy. The fries aren't bad. But look how much they give you. I better save this for my wife. It's too small, so I'll give that to my wife. Here's that sandwich. Oh, there you go. It looks pretty good. The chicken, we'll try the chicken first. Is this cheating? I don't know. We'll try it. I can taste those KFC spices. I haven't had KFC in 150 years. Now they got some mayo. They got a nice, I think it's a brioche bun. And they got some sick-looking pickles down there. Well, here we go. KFC chicken sandwich. Let's take a bite. Right away, the mayo works. When you get a little tang from that pickle. Oh my God, that's what she said. And the chicken is really, really good. The spices aren't kicking in as much as they should. I'll try another bite. What I like about this compared to some other chicken sandwiches, especially Popeyes, that sandwich that everyone went nuts over, that one was too sodium filled. There's your chicken again. The chicken's tender. Tasty. They give you a lot. Look at that. There's a lot of chicken. That's what she said. Uh-huh. One more bite with a pickle. All right. I'm thinking about it. Still upset that I forgot my potatoes and coleslaw, but guess what? I got salad at home to replace the coleslaw. And you don't need potatoes, Mike. I'm giving this an 8. An 8, a thumbs up. Way to go, KFC. Good. For more videos like this, check out my Live Life 365 YouTube channel. I've got 30 Mike Eats the Street. I got Mike Tries. I've got fried egg recipes. I've got all kinds of recipes. I got all kinds of things about life. Live Life 365. If you're not already subscribed, do it. Tell people. Spread the word. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
This is what we were here for anyway. It's an outtake shoe. I gotta bring my wife's food home. or else she'll get upset. Don't tell my wife I'm stealing another fry. When I say another one, I mean two. It's not a lot. One, they're seasoned. Mildly seasoned, though. Those are pretty good, too. They'll get an 8, too.